Hi, and welcome aboard another Dollar Tree train collab. This is our springtime fun collab, and my name is Tracy. Chloe is not in this video because what you're going to see is some of her Easter gift. And Bandit, I don't know, he's just hanging out somewhere. Who knows? He could come in, maybe not. So this time around, we have 13 ladies on board. They are all going to be in the playlist, and they were all in the intro that you saw, so make sure you check everybody out. There is a giveaway. Each channel is having a giveaway. Some of the rules are that you must be subscribed to everybody in the collab. You'll need to watch and comment on everybody's video. For my secret word, it's not a secret word, it's really a sentence. I want you to tell me that you are subscribed to everyone and you have watched and left a comment on all the videos. So you can say sub to all, commented on all, or subbed and commented on all, whatever it is. But just so that I know, I do have to double check, but the only way for me to be able to check to see if you are a public subscriber to each of the channels is through your comment on their channel. So please make sure you check everyone out if you want to be in the subscriber give back. So it's a subscriber give back, not a giveaway, no game of chance. It is just one lucky winner on each channel will get something back for being a loyal subscriber to us or a new subscriber to us. And my giveaway with these is always a $15 Dollar Tree card. So if you have use of that, whether you're in Canada, the United States, I don't know if other countries have it, but wherever you are, if you have use of that $15 Dollar Tree gift card, then go ahead and enter. All right, all my rules are down below, so make sure you check that out. I want to get right into it because we only have a short amount of time to get these videos to you. So we're going to build her Easter basket, and so the first thing we needed was a basket, and this was $1. I only have $1.25. I only have one thing in all of this that was not $1.25, and that is this Peeps cup. Now they had so many cute Peep things, and I did get quite a few other Peep things. I will be filming a video right after this with everything else that I got and what else I'm throwing in the basket. So if you're interested, that should be up in a couple of days, and you'll see that kind of pop up for you. All right, so again, first thing, now I know, right, you want some lift on this. I'm going to take the bag and I'm just going to rip it up. All right, so I've got my paper right in there. You can't even see it. You can certainly throw, though, whatever else over top of this if you want, but we're going to put the cup right in there. So I did kind of theme out the 10 items. So this is a little hydration. You need a little hydration when you're doing some planting. So this is a seed starting greenhouse, $1.25, and that's going right in there. We have some seed starter pots, also going to go right in there. Got a little snack because when you're planting, you might get a little hungry. We have, now this is obviously a little big for this, but there will be replanting at some point. And the little hoe. We have some seeds. So These were 4 for $1.25, so I'm counting it as one item. We have some dill because she loves dill. Put this up where you can see it. Some basil. Some oregano. And some sweet pepper in a variety of colors. Then we have a little water mister so that we can, particularly with these, you really want to mist these little greenhouses, and some gardening gloves. And those are my 10 items. So we are asking, as we always do, that you rate our hauls from 1 to 10. It's just for fun. So if you would use one item in here, I would get a 1. If you would use 10, I would get a 10. I guess if you would use 0, you'd give me a 0. But I just thought this was a neat, inexpensive gift idea for the holiday, for Easter, or for spring, or for Mother's Day, or for whatever it is, birthdays, just because days. Nice little get a jump on some spring planting. All right, so that is my video, short and sweet. Check out the rules down below for that subscriber give back, and check out everybody in the videos. Give them all a like, give them all a comment, and give them all a subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you soon.